Just sorry guys, my software got updated. That's a problem. Okay. What is the last concept? What is that last concept? Last concept, guys. SRS. Okay. Online students, is that the screen is visible? Online students can respond in the chat window. Online students can respond in the chat window.
Recording in progress.
Okay. Test scenarios, right? Okay, right. Let's complete on that. So the one we have been taking care about in writing or documenting these particular test scenarios. So the first understanding, what is the meaning of test scenarios? What is the meaning of test scenarios? What is it? What need to be tested? So the meaning of test scenarios, we need to begin considering that what need to be tested. At the same time, we need to begin considering that high-level document, or we can say that high-level design. Now, as a tester, as part of testing, we need to begin taking care about in documenting with or preparing with scenarios. The first thing I will be taking with requirements understanding. Once we understand the requirements, as a tester, we need to begin taking care about documenting with the scenarios. You may consider us fresher level, or you may considering us experience level. It's mandatory that we need to begin taking care about documenting these particular test scenarios. To document these particular test scenarios, or in general, if you want to begin documenting with the scenarios, we need to begin taking care about entry criteria and then considering the exit criteria. Requirement is we need to begin documenting with test scenarios. For documenting with the test scenarios, we need to begin taking care about entry criteria and then considering the exit criteria. What is the meaning of entry criteria? What is it? Reference documents. Meaning of exit criteria? Result or output. Now, if we consider this particular test scenarios, as part of test scenarios, that entry criteria, as part of entry criteria, what is the first document need to refer? As part of entry criteria for test scenarios, what is the first document? Yesterday written. Approved test plan. For test scenarios, we need to begin mentioning the approved test plan here. What is the next document? Approved SRS. The first document we need to begin mentioning that approved test plan. After that, we need to begin mentioning that approved SRS. What is the next one? Test scenario guidelines. Meaning of guidelines? Rules and regulations. What is the next one? Test plan template. Meaning of the template? Format here. We have to take care about. We need to begin taking care about in having with that particular respective template, and we need to begin taking care about that requirement document, and we need to begin start documenting with other scenarios. Further, as part of our project, what is our project? Adapting. So related to our project, we got SRS document has been available. we need to be get refer. We need to be get refer this particular document. Based on this particular document, we need to be get start documenting with the scenarios. For documenting, we are taking with the help of template. For documenting with the scenarios, we need to be taking with the help of template. When you are working in the real time, these particular templates, while working in real time, these particular templates has been taken care by test lead. Test lead will be taking care about in preparing with the template. As a fresher level, experience level of 3 to 4 years, you are not involved in preparing the test plan. Always according to the real-time standards, this particular test lead will take care about in preparing with the template. So for now, for the practice purpose, I have been already prepared with the template. That particular template, I'm just providing in this particular Google Classroom. That particular template I'm just providing in this particular Google Classroom. I can see that. So considering that this particular template, you guys need to download this particular template. Once it got downloaded, according to that particular template, you need to be taking care about. According to that particular template, you need to be taking care about in documenting with scenarios. So let's see that how exactly we can document that particular scenarios. Let's see that. For that, just I'm uploading that particular template, which you will be getting considering the test scenario template. When you are working real time, when you are working in the real time, you are not worried about all these particular template. Who will prepare the templates? Suresh sir. Not Suresh sir. Who will prepare the templates? Test lead. So test lead will be preparing with the template. In the interview, don't say that Suresh sir here. So test lead will be taking care about in preparing that particular templates. You need to be taking care about that particular template and need to be start documenting that particular template here. Let's see that. Once it got downloaded, once you have been downloaded that particular template, you need to be providing templates folder. Let me upload it. So if we look into scenario template, so I'm just providing that particular scenario template. First, you have to take care about downloading this template. Once you got download this template, it will be downloading to a local system. Once it got downloaded to a local system, we need to be taking care about maintaining with folder structure. In that folder, what is the first folder we got? What is the first one? Documents. The first folder we got documents. We need to be providing that particular documents. What is the documents we are maintaining? SRS document. Related to the project, we are maintaining that particular SRS document. That is done. Along with that, we got one more folder. What is the folder we got? What is the folder we got? Templates. Under templates folder, you need to be maintained Under templates folder, you need to be maintain project related template related to that particular project, whatever the template has been there, need to be provide that particular template. So now I have been provided that particular template. This particular template, just an empty file. The same file you are taking into the folder. What is this folder? What is the folder you got? Test scenarios. Under this particular folder, you are providing the same template. Under this folder, you are providing the same template. Once you provided, just you are doing rename, considering the test scenarios related to which application? Adapting. Related to adapting. Just you can rename that particular file and you can start documenting with test scenarios here. So don't get confused on this. As much as very simple. I have been provided template. If you refer Google Classroom, template is available, SRS document available. Once you downloaded these two things, under documents folder, you are maintaining SRS document. Under template folder, you are maintaining scenario template. The same template you are taking into test scenarios. The same template you will be taking into test scenarios. This particular test scenarios, you have to maintain all your scenarios. You need to document all the scenarios. Let's get documented. For documenting, we need to be taking care about referring with SRS document here. Let's see that. This particular SRS document, got the SRS document? Print out. Having or not? Or still no? Open your requirement documents. Online students also. Open your requirement documents. Still some people did not get it. Don't fight it. Everyone has to carry your own things. Yours only. Need to carry, guys. Lot of weight is there, sir. We cannot carry that printout, sir. Okay. Open that requirement document. According to that particular requirement document, we need to start documenting the scenarios. Let's see that how we can document it. This particular template available in your Google Classroom, you need to be downloaded. According to that template, you need to start documenting with the scenarios. According to this particular template, let's see that how exactly we can document it. Let's look into that. See that options here. The first option it will be taking with company logo. So what we have to provide here? Did you got the description for these things? Yesterday given? Okay, then. Meaning of company logo? Logo of that particular company or logo of the project. I need to provide this logo. So how I can get this logo now? I have to provide the logo. How I can provide? Go to Google Classroom. Google Images. But very too intelligent guys. I want to provide the logo. So how I can provide or from where I can get this logo? Online students. Why Google guys? Google Images. You guys are really developers guys. Open your requirement document and see that page number 3. Page number 4. See that page number 4. Having the logo or not? Having or not? In page number 4, logo available? Yes or no, guys? Logo already available. So do you require Google search? We are developers, sir. We'll do Google search only, sir. Don't think about developer perspective. You are doing the testing training here. So considering that this logo available in your requirement document, already logo is there. This particular logo, I have to provide in the scenario document. How I can do that? Copy paste. Very perfect. Okay. How will do copy or how I have to do paste? Control C, control. Very perfect, guys. Okay, first is screenshot, after that cut, after that paste. Right click save. Still, online students. By paint. Very perfect here. Online students. In the SRS document, that logo available. If I'm taking with the screenshot, it will take with the whole page. I doesn't require with the whole screenshot. Just this logo has been required. As simple as the guys are very well knowing, you will be using the tool. What is that particular tool? What is that? Swimming tool. Swimming tool or snipping tool? Not swimming tool. What is a tool? Snipping tool. Not required all your developer intelligence here. By default, this tool will be there. Not required to download and install also. You guys are too intelligent. Again, search in Google. Not required to search in Google. Snipping tool by default available in your laptops. Not required to install. Just you can go to that start program. You can type as snipping tool and click on this new. Okay. Then you can crop the image. Whatever the image you require, you can take that image. Once you crop that, it will be copied. Then you will be providing in Excel. So providing that particular logo. So this is what need to be provide that particular logo. Okay, done. Next, what is the next one? What is it? Project ID. Okay, make a note of the project ID. Everyone need to follow the same standard. That is what your entry criteria. In the entry criteria, you written with the third step. What is the third step? As part of entry criteria, what is the third step written? Test scenario guidelines here. You need to be follow that guideline. You need to be follow the guidelines here. Everyone follow the same. Provide the project name. Provide the project ID. ADT in a capital letter, not in a small letter. ADT in a capital letter and provide that 003. ADT in a capital letter and provide that 003. Everyone need to be follow the same standards. When you guys are practicing, also follow with the same standards only. In case of real time, In case of real time, the test lead will inform what is a project ID. The same project ID it will provide. So for now, our project ID, what is our project ID? ADT 003. Then project name, you are very well knowing. What is the project name? What is the project name? Adactin. Then taking with identified by. Meaning of identified by? Tester. Meaning of identified by. Tester name. Who has been writing the test cases? Who has been writing the test cases need to be provide tester name. So for now, I'm just providing my name. You guys will provide your name only, not your friend name, your girlfriend name. It will give an error. So don't provide any other names here. Provide your names only. Okay. After that, date identified. Date identified. Date identified. Current date. Current date of writing the scenarios. Date identified. Current date of writing the scenarios. So that current date. What is the date? What is the date? Okay. 12 August. Okay. Done. Next. Taking with reviewed by. Reviewed by is? Reviewed by test lead. Reviewed by is test lead here. So for now, I'm writing my name only. You guys will be writing? You guys need to write my name only. My name need to be get famous here. Okay. Write my name only. Okay. After that, date reviewed. Date reviewed. Future date. Date reviewed is you need to be get provide future date. Provide with the future date here. And after that, approved by. Approved by. Approved by also test lead only. I'll be writing my name. You guys will be writing my name only. Okay. Date approved. Date approved. Future date. Date approved is future date here. So don't be confused here. The concept is very simple. So very easy to write. Very easy to write. As simple as first is project ID. ID of the project. Project name. Name of the project. Identified by. Tester name. Date identified. Current date. Reviewed by. Test lead name. Date reviewed. Future date. Approved by. Test lead. Date approved. Future date. Okay. Next. So now writing with actual things. First column. What is the first column we got? TS. Meaning of TS? Meaning of TS? Test scenario ID or test scenario number. Everyone need to follow the same series. Everyone follow the same series of TS in capital letter. TS in capital letter. And then start the series of 001. Start with the series of 001. Everyone need to be start with the same series mentioning about TS 001. Okay. So now you can see that how it will be working it. Okay. So first providing with the series TS 001. Then requirement need to be provide requirement number or requirement ID. From where you will get the requirement number? From where you will get the requirement number? Amirpet or Maitruvanam? Not Amirpet, not Maitruvanam. From where you will get? From where you will get, guys? SRS, not online. SRS document. From the SRS document, you will get the requirement number. You guys refer this page number 4. In page number 4, what is the requirement number? Page number 4, requirement number 3.3.1. That requirement number is 3.1. Checking with requirement number 3.1. Okay. Taking the next one. Main functionality. The meaning of main functionality. Page name or module name. The meaning of main functionality. Page name or module name. So this 3.1, what is that page name? 3.1, what is that page name? Wow. Really, you guys, developers only, guys. I'm not asking page number. I'm asking page name. Don't think about developer here. I know you are developer intelligence. You are not developer now. You are a tester. Think as a tester here. What is that page name we got? What is the page name? New user registration. Our requirement is testing. We have to test the application. We are not developing the application now. For testing the application, what we have to test it, that is what we are documenting. The documentation we are doing with the help of requirement document, considering that new user registration. What is that page name we got? What is that page name we got? New user registration. Okay. So now we got next column name. What is the next column name? Test scenario description. What is the meaning of test scenario? Meaning of test scenario. What is it? What need to be tested according to the requirement document. According to the requirement document, what need to be tested. Now, you guys can refer this requirement document. According to this requirement document, what we can test it? What is the main functionality? What is it? New user registration. The main functionality we have to test, registration functionality working or not. Further, we can consider register button. See the scenario, how we are writing. We can write the scenario mentioning the verify register button functionality. Verify register button functionality. One option, verify register button functionality. Otherwise, the same thing in a different way. Verify new user registration functionality. Verify new user registration functionality. Not like any coding, not like any logic. You are in a tester. As a tester, what is the job role of the tester? Need to test the application. To test that application, you are documenting what you want to test it. A functionalities test cheyali. That you are documenting. What are the functionalities you want to test? You are documenting. For documenting, you are following in a format. According to that format, you are documenting. In that first functionality, what is the functionality you are testing? Verify new user registration. Okay. Next. What is the next one? Test case name or test case ID. Currently, what we are working? Test scenarios or test cases? Scenarios or cases? Scenarios. Currently, we are working scenarios. So, no concept of test cases for today. That will be empty. In further, we will provide. What is the next one? Document ID or reference. the document what you are referring. What is the document we are referring? What is the document you are referring? SRS. Okay. So comments, if required, you can provide. Otherwise, not like mandatory on that. Okay. Next. Taking with TS002. That series need to be continued. You guys can make a note of this column. That will make you easy understanding. Remaining things very easily can do. See that making a note of this main one. The scenario description. We got scenario number. Requirement number 3.3.2. 3.2. One completed. 3.1. Don't think as a developer. Think as a tester. Okay. 3.1. 3.1 is related to? 3.1 is related to new user registration. Now, open your requirement document and see that what are the things we can test it. What you will test it, guys? Very easily can understand. Launch browser. What is the first functionality written? Verify new user registration. Considering that verify register button functionality. After register button, what is another one you can try? Reset button. You got a reset button. You can test that functionality. Mentioning that. Verify. You need to be get mentioning that. Verify reset button functionality. Verify reset button functionality in new user registration page. Verify reset button functionality in new user registration page. Providing the document. What is the document? SRS. Okay, done. Next. TS003. Requirement number 3.1. 3.1 is related to? 3.1 is related to new user registration. Okay. Now refer 3.1. What we can test it? What we can test it? CAPTCHA. We can try with that. Apart from that, all these things. What are all these things? What are all those things? Text boxes. Need to be tested with the text boxes. Now we can see that how we are writing. Verify text boxes functionality. Verify text boxes functionality in new user registration page. Verify text boxes functionality in new user registration page. What is the document name? SRS. Text boxes. What are the text boxes I got? What are the text boxes? The one you are consider username. After that, password. After that, considering that confirm password. So whatever the text boxes are there, you need to be provide that particular text boxes. This is what exactly your job role as a tester. No programming, no coding. This is what I will be doing. Job role as a manual tester. As a manual tester, this is what you have to take care of it. As a manual tester, you will take care about referring the requirement document. According to the requirement document, you need to get start documenting. So for doing this testing job, you doesn't require any coding knowledge. Do we require coding knowledge? Do you require programming knowledge? Do you require logic knowledge? No. What do you require? No testing knowledge. Brain is required. The very important one for the tester. Brain is required here. Having the brain or not? Yes or no, guys? Okay, very perfect. Otherwise, a lot of problems will be there. So considering that you have to use the brain while doing with the testing. It's not at all difficult. Any difficulties there here? This is what your manual testing job role. According to this, you will continue a lot of things in further. Now TS 004 requirement number. What is the requirement number? 3.1. 3.1 is related to? 3.1 is related to new user registration. Okay. Next, what you will test? You need to be taking with CAPTCHA. Need to be test with the CAPTCHA here. Okay. As it is, we will write mentioning that verify CAPTCHA functionality. Verify CAPTCHA functionality in new user registration page. Verify CAPTCHA functionality in new user registration page. Providing that particular document. Providing that document name. What is the document name? SRS. Okay, done. Next. Continue the same. TS 005. Requirement number 3.1. 3.1 is related to new user registration. Okay. So this particular one. What is the next functionality? This capture one scenario that refresh everything. Done. Next. Text box already done. After that, what is this? What is it? Checkbox here. Okay. Need to be taking care about checkbox. Verify checkbox functionality. Verify checkbox functionality in new user registration page. Verify checkbox functionality in new user registration page. Having the document. What is the document? SRS. Okay, done. Next. TS 006. Requirement number 3.1. 3.1 is related to? 3.1 is related to new user registration. Okay. What is the next functionality? What is it? Terms and condition. Can we consider this is a link? Consider or not? Yes or no? We can consider as a link. Now we can see how we are writing. Mentioning that verify links functionality. Verify links functionality in new user registration. Verify links functionality in new user registration page. Verify links functionality in new user registration page. What is the document name? SRS. See the links. What are the links he got? Terms and condition. Any other links? That is the reason I clearly mentioned little bit brain required. See your requirement document. What is it? Go back to login page. So this is also in a link. This is also in a link. So the one is terms and condition. Another link. Go back to login page. Need to be provided. This is how you can utilize the comments. This is how you can utilize the comments. Go back to login page. So whatever that links are there, you need to be get documented. So whatever that links are there. You need to be get documented. This is what exactly your job role as a manual tester. Once you guys got a job as a manual tester, initially, this is how you will refer requirement document. That's the reason in the starting, not record photos. Don't be hurry. I'll upload in Google Classroom. I know your talents here. Okay. So I'll upload in Google Classroom. Don't be worried. Okay. So these particular things, according to these particular things, you need to be taking care about documenting. Now, what I required is you guys are already having requirement document. Having or not? Refer the requirement document. Start preparing the scenarios for tomorrow. Tomorrow session is there. Tomorrow session is there. For tomorrow, you guys complete writing the scenarios for 3.1. 3.1 is related to new user registration. Then start working 3.2. 3.2 is related to login. Then you can start working with 3.3. 3.3 is related to search hotel. These three modules, new user registration and then login page and then taking with search hotel page. So practice the scenarios. Document the scenarios in the Excel. Document the scenarios in the template and maintain in your local system. On one fine day, I will ask you that to upload in Google Classroom what you created. On that day, Excel not working, Google Classroom not working, internet not working. Don't provide all your BTech reason, developer reasons here. You need to work on it. So take care about documenting it. So what are the models you have to work? What are the models? 3.1, new user registration. After that, 3.2, login. 3.3, search hotel. Don't be worried either it is wrong or not. That I'll take care of it. Whether it is correct or not, nothing to worry. Those things I will guide you. But required, you guys need to spend the time in documenting it. If you start practicing it, testing subject will make you more interest. If you are not practicing it, it will get more sleeping here. That is what the problem with the testing. If you are very active, more interested, it will make you more interesting while working. If not, you will get the sleeping here. So because of that, spend with the time in doing the practice. For tomorrow, come up with the scenarios for these three models here. Okay? Clear? Carry on. Thank you.